Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the velocity video styles to your videos on CapCut. Some of them you need to have the pro version, but there's one that is free, which is the flash one. This is like a new style addition to the app. So select your video, go to style, and then go and select velocity, and you have flash, blur, shake, fade, blur, retro zoom, and rainbow. So the only free one is flash, so you're just going to select that, and you're going to select add visible. You can use the other ones if you'd like to, but because I only have the flash one available, I'll only be using that one, and it's going to generate this velocity with flash. You can also adjust the beat frequency, the speed, and the intensity as well. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!